Hello and welcome today to 2 Minute Watches. Today we've got a Hamilton Boulton, a beautiful tank-like or rectangular shaped dial dress watch with the iconic Roman numerals on a white dial background. Often seen as probably the most affordable Cartier Tank alternative by a Swiss brand. You've got nice dimensions here. You see on my 6.25-inch wrist with its 27 by 31mm dial. It is a quartz movement. I think brand new these goes for about £640, but a Cartier Tank, I think the latest master version goes for about over £3,000. So you're putting about 20% of the price for a similar kind of quartz style watch. I think the Cartier doesn't have any seconds hand. This has got a small seconds, which you can see ticks along here nicely. And you've got a similar blued hands to kind of give you a similar Cartier appeal. It's got a bit more of a funky Art Deco look to it. You've got a slightly more rounded edges, rounded dial. The Cartier Tank, you can see one of my reviews in the channel. It's much more flat, more straight lines. It's got a much more curved aesthetic. So there are some more squarer options out there, but otherwise I think it's quite a good alternative for the price point. You've got a nice blue leather strap and the Hamilton buckle there. And I think again, if you're looking for that aesthetic from a very solid brand like Hamilton, then you can't really go wrong. They have two different size variants. There's 27mm. They also have a 23mm width, and I think one is more marketed at women, one the kind of unisex or men's, and they do also an automatic version, but I think it's quite huge. I can't remember what the size is, but it's very, very large. I think the lug is something like in the high 40s. Was it 50? Can't remember. I have to look that up again, but very large. I think it was out of what I could wear. But this, very, very easy to wear, could slip on the cuff quite easily. And so if you're looking for a watch of this aesthetic, I think under a certain price point, there aren't many choices. I know Frederic Constant, I think, recently put one out. I think that might have been the high, near 1,000 mark, but I think you can pick these up in the secondary market for quite a lot below the RRP of 640. So do check one of these out if you're looking for one of these watches. Very nice, very versatile, quite sporty, I think, given often the Roman numerals otherwise suggest. So yeah, do check this one out.